A placeholder column again. Okay, then so sometimes the system is showing the here. Okay, if you choose this one, it doesn't open that. Nothing to worry. Here we have a report builder icon is there. Keep on just right click and maximize. No need to worry about that. Keep is there. Okay, here I don't want to develop a new one. Just I download a existing one, summary and formula column reports. I want to save as with a different name. Let's follow column. Yeah. So here we have a data model and we have a layout model. Okay. Then first of all, I want to connect with the database while using Control J as a database shortcut. Control J. Okay. So here I'm giving apps. Oops. Yes. Now we connect the database. So in this one, when I'm running the report showing only a proper data which are available in that report. Okay. Now I want to find out the maximum salary employee information. I want to see only maximum salary employee information. So for that purpose, first of all, we are going to choose, find out the maximum salary. So for that maximum salary, we can choose the summation of, summary column. Then here it is a max sal, summation of salary, max of salary. For this purpose, I want to print in my report, I'm using one field. Then here we set max sal and run it. We find out the, where it is. Yes, this is right. Now we find out the maximum salary. Now I want to find out the employee name who are getting this maximum salary. Then for that purpose, first we need to require a variable. That is called as a placeholder column. We want to specify in without the group because of we want to display this name in outside of the group, means repeating frame. Okay, without repeating frame, it is a character. Okay. Next we can choose a formula column will be placed in within the group. Go to formula column. Here it is a character and go to else equal formula. Here we can write the condition, simple condition. If salary equal to max sal, then we are going to move the data into where? CP1 placeholder column. Then here we can assign the, then we can assignment operator and will be name. Finally enter and return CP1. And now we compile it and close it. Now we can assign this field to our respected source column. So here we are giving CP1. Now it is showing the respected king. King is getting the 5,000 salary. The same manner we want to find out the minimum salary. For that purpose, first we find out the summary column, go to minimum sal, and here we find out the minimum salary. Now we can assign this field to one respected field. Minimum salary. Now run it and will be find out the minimum salary. Then next we can go for placeholder column and specify here we find out the character, and while using this variable we can build a program in formula column. Character, go to PL/SQL formula. Here if salary equal to minimum sal, then CP2 assignment ename end if, and return CP. Now will be compile it and close it. Now we can assign this formula column to a respected field. Then here CP2. Now we are find out the minimum salary employee. Once this both are completed, next now we want to retrieve the DEPT name in this respected report. So for that purpose I am do some changes. So here this is the DEPT name, D number, so in the last column we have a DEPT number. Now I want to retrieve the DEPT name. Then for that purpose, first of all we want to define a variable. Okay, that variable we want to, so where we want to display the DEPT name? Within the group, means then we can specify here the DEPT name is a number or character. It is a character. Next we can choose the formula column and specify here. Okay, then now go to formula column, you can change the character, and here we can specify the name. Select D name into CP3 from DEPT, where DEPT number equal to colon DEPT number. Finally will be return the value CP3. Now we compile it and close it. Once we compile it and close it and go to compile the entire report, and then will be assign this field to a respected column. And here CP3. Now let us check it. Compile and OK. Now run it. So in this way we are working with this respected placeholder column. Clear all of you? So in the morning session what happened means the respected null is there. The null does not compare to another value. That is the reason we are getting always the same error, no data found.
In case any value is not there, then how can we get?
Which one?
In this case only, we have.
So at that time we can go to specify with that respected D number is a 0. Okay, D number is 0.
So like
So,
in a formula.
yeah, whatever it may be. If it is not matched, then automatically it is getting the means some other record. Okay, so we can specify the null. Then here, what happen? If value if null 0. Okay, then automatically it is going to consider as a 0. 0 equal to 10, not a true, means it is not matched and it doesn't show the result. Okay, but earlier in the morning session we didn't check the employee records. That is the reason. Always we are, where exactly I checked it here, I checked it from the back end, I checked in the front end. So everything will be same, but I didn't check in employee data. That is the main reason. So null is a very dangerous. If you are not find out the null, we cannot find out the major risk. Suppose here we have 14 records, we can easily read it and will be find out the error. But in real life, some lakhs records also there in one table at the time. Have you possible to check each and every record? No. Better to use the null NVL functions. Then you can automatically get the result. Okay, that is the reason. So that is the reason in the morning session we cannot find out the proper output. Okay, so in this way we are using this respected placeholder column. All of you clear? The placeholder column is a global variable and it is a empty container. At compilation time it holds the data and at runtime it returns the data. Okay.